Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are solving another problem which is known as repeated string. So this is a very simple problem and I consider it as a brain teaser, and let's go and solve the problem now. So the problem statement says that you are given a string s as abc cac, and this string is repeated, like say for example 10 times. What we have to identify is how many times the letter a, is present in that the repeated string. Like if you have a string of like 50 characters of this repeated substrings like abcac, then again abcac, then what we have to identify is the number of the frequency count of letter a, and provided the length of the string to be considered is already given to you by the letter n. So this is a very simple problem, and guys, what we have to do is nothing. It's first of all, what we are going to do is step one, we'll identify the number of of a, or the frequency count of a in the original string piece s, and then we'll see how many times this string is repeated. We'll get this string is repeated, for example, like 2 times. Then we'll just multiply 2 into the frequency count of a, and we'll get the total number of a, right? But when we are repeating this abc character, there may be some characters left, because if say for example 10 is the limit and you see this 5, but what if the letter is 11 or 12? Then there will be 2 times abc repeated. We have the length of string as 10, then but original length was given as 12, so we have still 2 characters left. The 2 characters will be ab. So now we have to find the number of a in the remaining characters left as part of the substring. So that means one more. So that means total times a will be 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 times a is repeated. So let's straight away start solving the problem, and the solution of this problem you will find in the description of this video as well. So let me start. Okay, so first of all, I've just defined a result variable as which will be returned as part of this method. Okay, now as I said, first of all we have to find the frequency of a in the original string, the single string. Okay, so what we are going to do is long a frequency n, going to get frequency in single string. Okay, now what we are going to do is that what we have to find the number of repetition of this string. Okay, once we have the number of repetitions of string, the response will become as the frequency count in single substring into number of repetitions. Okay, now we have to find, there will be some to see if there are some remaining characters left or not. So we are going to find s comma 9. So then we are going to identify the number of remaining characters, like if either a is present in the substring or not. So for int I equal to 0, I less than remaining characters I plus plus, if s dot char at I equal to a, we'll increment the counter. That's it. So now let's make these functions available. Okay, public static long get frequency of s. So what we have to identify, the frequency of letter A in the single substring. Okay, so a very simple problem. We'll just iterate and increment the counter. So first of all, int len equal to 0, return length, and then we'll write our for loop. I plus plus. Okay, and a check of the if block, if s dot char at I equal to A, increment the counter. That's it. So this gives us our get frequency. Now we have to write the number of repetitions, right? So number of repetitions, we write another function. This is another utility function. So write public static get. Okay, and thing string s string s long n. So here this is simple. We just divide, okay, and it will give us the number of, with the we'll take the n being passed, the total length of the string with the length of the substring, okay, and it will give you the number of repetitions. Now we have another method which we have to do is, which is this one, get number of. So here that we have to find the remaining characters. It's simple. So we'll copy this function, we will check this name, and instead of division we will do percentage, which will give us the remainder, okay, of the characters. So our code is complete, our algorithm is complete. Let's straight away run the code to see if there are any compilation issues first. Okay, so there are some compilation issues. Int length equal to 0, okay, one semicolon missing. Let's run again. Again, so we have, okay, no return statement. So this is public static long, public static long, public static long. I hope all the compilation issues will be solved now. Get number of repetitions. Okay, what's wrong here? Okay, so this was a copy paste mistake, I think. So what we have to do is this way, number of repetitions will come in this way. Okay, so our test case has passed, sample test case. We'll just submit to see if all the test cases are passing. It's taking time to run the test cases. Okay, so we have all the test cases passed. So let's go again, and I'll explain the heuristic algorithm which is being used. This is simple. It's a brain teaser problem. You have a substring. First find the frequency count in the substring, then just find the number of repetitions, multiply with the frequency count of the substring with the number of repetitions. That will give you a net count. Now we have to find the number repetitions of letter A in the remaining characters of the main substring, which is found by this function. Okay, you identify the number of characters which are remaining, okay, and then just run a loop and compare and add to the original number. I hope this algorithm is clear to you guys. If you like this video, just like, comment and share. If you have any further question, just comment on the video, and do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. I will be bringing more videos of algorithm problems, of especially of this website known as HackerRank. And keep watching. Thank you.